Hey guys, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. I am getting a set of cornhole boards ready to deliver. We're getting ready to wax our boards up, and this is something I purposely do not do until the day we get ready, until we get ready to deliver, till that day. I wanted to show you what we do, kind of the process. See what you think. Here we go. All right, so here is our board. This happens to be a set of Chiefs boards, and you can't feel this obviously, but I have not done the final sanding after the last coat of poly on here, and so this is a little rough to the touch, and some people like that, you know, because it makes the bag stick. I don't like it. I like for my boards to be slick as a button. We're going to do a little prep work, then we're gonna wax it. I like using new finish. In the past, I've used turtle wax, but I like the new finish because it's not green. All right, the last thing I'm going to do before we put our wax on there is I'm just gonna do this by hand. I'm just gonna use a piece of a 320 grit sandpaper, give this a very light brushing. This is going to get any little tiny imperfections out of the last finish and any grain that may have found its way up through the finish. This is one of my favorite parts of the process because frankly, this is what really sets it off. Now, just want to feel over it and feel for any unusual spots, like right here, maybe here. Want it all to be glassy smooth by the time we're done. Look at that. Woo! That's looking good already. All right, now we're gonna put our wax on there. Not a complicated process to get me a damp cloth. It's an old t-shirt for me. Put a good glob of wax on there because I'm not gonna be shy with it. And we'll just start to work this around on here. We're trying to apply a slick layer of wax on top of the clear poly. So we want that slick wax to be on there so when the bags hit this board, they slide. Obviously you want them to slide because that's part of the strategery when you're playing, right? Anyway, I want to make sure that this is on there well. There we go. Now I'm going to use just a simple, inexpensive buffer. We're going to buff this out. It's going to shine and it's going to get real slick. All right, here we go. So you see how dull this is now? Can you tell that? I think it looks more dull in real life than it does on camera, but watch what happens when I put the buffer to it. I'm not putting any weight down on this. I'm just letting the weight of the buffer do this. And look at that. That is looking gorgeous. Jack, that is looking beautiful. And we are done. Man. Man, that looks good. I mean, it looks real good. Woo! I love it. I love it. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks a lot for hanging out. I hope that was cool for you. I love it. It's my favorite part of the process. If we can make a set of these awesome cornhole boards for you, let me know. We love to make them. I would love to make a set for you. We do this to every set that goes out of here. Special, special attention that I don't think you're going to get anywhere else. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Have a great day.